Painting with words. Mastering complex ideas with simple idiomatic expressions. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our advanced vocabulary series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions, with a special focus on how they can help us convey complex ideas using simple, everyday language. Remember, idiomatic expressions are the seasoning of language. They can make your conversations flavorful and your communication effective. At the heart of it, idiomatic expressions are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. They might seem confusing at first, but you're likely using them already. Phrases like, break a leg, the ball is in your court, or let the cat out of the bag, are all idiomatic expressions. They are essential in giving languages their character and color. Now let's get to the heart of today's lesson: using idioms to communicate intricate or nuanced concepts. What makes idiomatic expressions a powerful tool is their ability to pack a lot of meaning into a short phrase. With just a few words, they can express ideas that would otherwise require long explanations. Let's take the idiom, tip of the iceberg. This phrase refers to a small, visible part of a much larger issue that remains hidden. If you were to describe this without the idiom, you might have to say something like, a small part of a problem or situation which is seen or known about when there is a much larger part which is not seen or known about. Using idioms can not only make your speech more efficient but also more engaging and relatable. They are like shortcuts to a wealth of meaning and emotion, which is why they're so frequently used in both casual conversations and professional communication. Of course, to use idioms effectively, you need to recognize and understand them. As we've mentioned, the meaning of an idiom often doesn't directly relate to the individual words. So, how do you learn them? Just like with other aspects of language, context is key. Most idioms have a story or common scenario behind them. For example, kick the bucket is a rather informal way of saying that someone has died. You won't find any relation between the words kick and bucket to death, but understanding the cultural context helps decode its meaning. There you have it, language explorers. Idiomatic expressions are not just a way to add color to your language. They're a tool for communicating complex ideas efficiently and effectively. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of their role and importance. Remember, language is an art, and idiomatic expressions are the brushstrokes that add depth and perspective to your linguistic canvas. So, don't shy away from them, embrace idioms, and use them to paint your conversation colorful. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.